How to fix TikTok photo swipe not working. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. When you select multiple photos to upload as TikTok video, you will get this option of photo and video. When you set it to photo, you will be able to swipe the photos in this way. If you are not able to do this, then what you can do is go back, head towards the profile page. Now at the top right, you will find three horizontal lines. Tap on it. Go to the option settings and privacy. Now over here you will find different sections. Under cache and cellular, you will find the option of free up space. You have to tap on this option. Now you have to tap on the option of clear for the cache. Do the same for downloads as well. After you do that, you can go and check whether this feature is available now or not. Heading towards next solution, you have to open your App Store or Play Store. You have to make sure you are using the latest version of TikTok application. Open App Store or Play Store and search for the app TikTok. After app appears, you will find the option of open or update over here. If you find the option of update, just tap on it and update your TikTok to its latest version. After you update your TikTok app, you can go and check whether this feature is available or not. If the solution doesn't work for you, then you can uninstall your TikTok app and reinstall it. For that, long press on your TikTok app, tap on the option remove app. After you delete this app, open your App Store or Play Store and search for the app TikTok and download it. Applying these solutions, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix TikTok photo swipe not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.